cut the mango into dices. I'm using 3 mangoes, almost 500 gram mango I'm using, and using the small knife it's a bit difficult for me. I very much used to with the big knife, but anyhow the small knife which it's making at home, so there is no big knife. My big knife is there, but quite difficult to dice. It's hard because of the seed. So after cut, I am using my big knife to cut into dices. You can cut into the roughly size also. I am making dice because that it's everything should be even, and then it should be smashed. As you see, it's all need to be cut. Doesn't matter that if some size are different to each other. As you see, that someone is small and big, but that not me anyhow. It should be smashed. I am using now the green resin, your pumpkin seeds, jaggery, consist of sugar, rock salt, turmeric powder, black pepper, fennel seeds and fennel powder, asafoetida, and cumin roasted, cardamom green, fenugreek, and clove, and dates. So this is the main component that which I am using. Now heat the oil, temper the fenugreek, clove, and green cardamom, cumin powder, the cumin seeds need to be put to temper. Now see the bubbles, because that the oil is very in slow heat. Anyhow you are going to temper, so it's more convenient. Sorry that I am putting first that the cumin seeds now, that before that fennel seeds I was putting. The spice, first you have to put the turmeric powder, mix it, and then put your raw mangoes, young mango, little bit just tempered properly. As you see, that's your color is proper in the oil. Now you put the raw mango, mix it well properly. Now see the texture. Done. Add rock salt, then black pepper, asafoetida, roasted cumin, after this all other items, mix it well first and a little bit rest. Now see, after resting, it's a little bit more tempered, become more porous. Now you add raisin and dates together, pumpkin seeds and jaggery. You can increase your jaggery part or salt part as per your taste, but for me, if you are making relish, you have to reduce less salt and you have to put more jaggery. Jaggery anyhow not very sweetened as that your sugar, so you can put more, and jaggery is good for health also, so there is no problem. Now see, that's all, everything is mixed together. You have to put water and simmer it at least for 30 minutes. After that, that's once you see the texture, now it's bubbling, you have to cover it up. Now I'm covering, and then 30 minutes. Now you see the texture, it's almost like dry, all the water evaporated, and then the young already properly cooked. Now she put into the jar and with presentation. Thank you very much to watch my show, and most welcome in advance to subscribe my show. Thank you.